हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू हिंदी टू इंग्लिश कनेक्ट। आज हम सीखेंगे कुछ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट डेली यूज सेंटेंसेस। आइए शुरू करते हैं विदाउट एनी डिले। ये आ गया है हमारा पहला सेंटेंस। तुम आज बहुत खुश लग रहे हो। यू लुक वेरी हैप्पी टुडे। यू लुक वेरी हैप्पी टुडे। क्या तुम्हें मेरी बात समझ आई? Did you understand what I said? Did you understand what I said? मैं तुम्हें कुछ दिखाना चाहता हूँ. I want to show you something. I want to show you something. थोड़ा पास आओ. Come a little closer. Come a little closer. क्या तुमने उसे फ़ोन किया? Did you call him? Did you call him? मुझे ये काम बहुत पसंद है. I really like this job. I really like this job. क्या तुम्हें चाय चाहिए? Do you want some tea? Do you want some tea? मैंने उसे कई बार बताया है. In English, I have told him many times. I have told him many times. थोड़ा ध्यान से सुनो. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. मुझे अभी निकलना है. I have to leave now. I have to leave now. अगला सेंटेंस. क्या तुम मुझसे नाराज हो? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? अगला सेंटेंस. तुम क्या सोचते हो इसके बारे में? What do you think about this? What do you think about this? मुझे तुमसे कुछ पूछना है. I want to ask you something. I want to ask you something. अगला सेंटेंस. मैंने वो गलती से किया. I did that by mistake. I did that by mistake. तुम हमेशा ऐसा क्यों करते हो? In English, why do you always do that? Why do you always do that? क्या तुम्हें फिल्में देखना पसंद है? Do you like watching movies? Do you like watching movies? मुझे थोड़ा समय दो. In English, give me some time. Give me some time. अगला सेंटेंस. क्या तुम ठीक महसूस कर रहे हो? Are you feeling okay? Are you feeling okay? तुम कहाँ रह रहे हो आजकल? In English, where are you living these days? Where are you living these days? मैं थोड़ी देर में आता हूँ. I'll be back in a while. I'll be back in a while. क्या तुम मुझे पहचानते हो? Do you recognize me? Do you recognize me? मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. I don't need this. I don't need this. चलो कहीं घूमने चलते हैं. Let's go somewhere for a trip. Let's go somewhere for a trip. तुम क्या करना चाहते हो? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. तुम बहुत अच्छा गाते हो. You sing very well. You sing very well. मुझे जल्दी उठना है. I have to wake up early. I have to wake up early. क्या तुम्हें बारिश पसंद है? Do you like rain? Do you like rain? मैं तुम्हारे साथ चलूँगा. I'll go with you. I'll go with you. तुम आज कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going today? Where are you going today? मुझे थोड़ी मदद चाहिए. I need a little help. I need a little help. क्या तुमने मेरा संदेश देखा? Did you see my message? Did you see my message? मुझे थोड़ा सोचना है. In English, I need to think a little. I need to think a little. क्या तुम पार्टी में आ रहे हो? Are you coming to the party? Are you coming to the party? मुझे डर लग रहा है. I'm feeling scared. I'm feeling scared. तुम क्या पढ़ रहे हो? What are you studying? What are you studying? मुझे यह बहुत दिलचस्प लगा. I found it very interesting. I found it very interesting. क्या तुम मुझे सुन सकते हो? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? मैं तुम्हें बाद में बताऊंगा. I'll tell you later. I'll tell you later. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. Thanks for watching.